Hey, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about a course I absolutely loved and needed. It helped me get some structure in my life. Probably like many of you guys, I never been really good at structuring things in my life. Like for example, when I was in school, my locker was always a mess. I was late everywhere, my room was chaotic, but honestly, I was trying to get some kind of structure in my life. I stopped counting the number of agendas I bought without using them for more than a week. I was trying hard because I always knew how important it was. And then, a couple of weeks ago, I stumbled across a Thomas Frank's course on Skillshare. The Thomas Frank who owns the YouTube channel Thomas Frank. So I immediately bought it, but without any big expectations. It was really nothing more than work for me. I had to watch a course and tell you guys about it. What it is, who it's for, and what I thought of it. That's it. I would have never imagined what came next. It literally changed everything for me. After 22 years on Earth, I'm finally someone people would look at as structure. And God, does it feel good. Yes, it is marketed as a productivity course, and it is. But to make you more productive, Thomas Frank focuses on structure. So listen carefully here. I'm going to be enumerating all aspects of your life. You'll end up more structured after watching this course. Number 1, structuring your task. I know it's not an aspect of your life, but you get the point. It's clearly one of my favorite part of this course. In this section, Thomas Frank is teaching you how to effectively manage your to-do list. Most people who fail at sticking with a to-do list as a structure to manage their tasks do not fail because to-do list doesn't work, but because they don't do it properly. In this section, Thomas Frank will show you how to make your to-do list easy to use. How? By taking time to build a system around your to-do list, you'll end up saving more time. How you make this system work on the long run, and I'm talking here about years long, and even more. Number 2, how to set up and use a calendar. So again, you'll learn how to use it properly. After watching this part, you'll know everything there is to know to make sure it makes you save time, to make sure you can trust it, and by doing so, relieving some of your anxiety. Another thing I liked about this section is the fact that even if it seems simple, Thomas Frank really takes the time to show you creative ways of using your calendar, some of which are changing the calendar game for me. One thing I forgot to mention though is that it's mainly digital strategies. So if you're old school and you're still using pen, papers, and notebook and agendas, you'll probably don't learn much. I'd still encourage you to try his digital methods since it allows you to have everything in your pocket and because it allows you way more possibilities. Speaking of possibilities, here is number 3, note-taking. My note app is starting to feel like my second brain, and in a sense, it is becoming my second brain. That section has been by far my favorite section. Thomas Frank taught me how to create the perfect note-taking system, and I will probably use it for the rest of my life. And what's amazing about that is that the more I will use it, the more my second brain will get smart. With that system, you can make sure that everything you will ever learn will be archived in your second brain. And everything you will ever need to access it is your cell phone and 5 to 30 seconds of your time. Now, number 4, structuring digital and physical documents. So again, it will show you tools and suggest ways of using them. That part has not been game-changing for me yet, but Everything is archived in my second brain, and I'm sure I will be soon using that knowledge. Number 5, structure the way you use email. If you're watching this right now, I bet a lot of money that your email inbox is a freaking mess. By watching this course, you'll get that fixed. And you'll start using your email address as the 0.01% does. All that will be taught to you in about an hour, and you can access this course and every single other course on Skillshare for $9.99 a month. But by using the link in the description below, you'll get 2 months for free. But before you do anything, just let me remind you that I was a total mess. If you have always been really good at structuring all aspects of your life, you will probably not find that course as useful as I did. It is for those like me who need help to get their life in order. So with that said, let me know in the comments below what you think about it. If you want to know when I'm coming out with a course review, hit the subscription button and the notification bell to get notified when I'm coming up with a new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next review. Bye bye.